How to fix Rainbow Six Siege not launching. Welcome to Glitch Sorcerer and let's get right into this video. For this, you need to tap open your Steam. You can also right click on it and run it as an administrator. That can also solve the issue. Now, firstly you need to check for your Wi-Fi connection. Sometimes when your Wi-Fi is acting up, you may find similar issue in any of your game application not launching. If that is not the case, follow up this next step. In this step, you need to head on to your library. I currently have War Thunder with me, but let us suppose that it is Rainbow Six Siege. Now what you actually have to do is you have to right click on your Rainbow Six Siege. Just tap on the game and right click on it. From there, you need to head on the properties option. From here, you need to locate Verify Integrity of Game Files. Tap on the option of verifying it. Once it is verified, the issue must be solved. If not, launch a browser and search for Rainbow Six Siege server status. Sometimes when a server is down, you may find similar issue. Just tap on Service Status from Ubisoft. Now right here, you need to check if your server is acting correctly or not. If your server is acting well, you have to wait for a couple of minutes, then your Rainbow Six Siege can be opened without any delay or without an hassle. Which wraps up the tutorial as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.